Okay, this has been going on for a long time. I have spoken about the same situation over and over, and I'm just going to show you guys something one more time. How the hell are you going to see to come out of here to make a left turn? You have to literally come out in the road to look out. That time you will get hit to make a left turn. Look at the height of this, right? Just look at the height of how they put the damn snow. This is over and over. Walter, come here. Walter, come here 1 second, please. Come here. Hold this for me and videotape me. I want to show them how high this friggin' thing is. Look how high that is, where the sign is. You can't come out of here to see. Right? To make a left turn. Or even to make a right turn, you'll get knocked. Come out to the race, your car coming. Right? I have spoken about this a long time ago, and pray to God there's not an accident. I called and I spoke to someone, and they said they're coming here within the next couple of, tomorrow or another day. How you doing? Yeah, you can't even see to come out of here. I have spoken to them about this over and over and over. And once there's an accident, I swear to God, they're going to get sued up their ass. The guy from over next door there, the gas station with that big tractor, did me a favor because you couldn't see to come out of here. You really couldn't see to come out of here. So I just want to show you before what he did for me that you could see to come out of here. See, he cleared it for me right there. Right now you can see to come out. He cleared it. It was all the way as high as the top of that road. So where it was all the way out into the road. Right?
Aiden, are you having fun? Oh my God. Aiden. Aiden, ¿por qué estás pintando la nieve ahí?
Okay, Wendell, you called me. You wanted to see how much snow is here. Okay, buddy. That's how much snow is here. Just take a look at this. That's over 6 foot of snow. Look where my hand is, from the top of there to there, to right here. So we have about 7 to 8 inches of snow already, buddy. So wait till I come down tomorrow to show you. And remember, you're coming up on Thursday with me for my eyes. Oh Lord, look how much snow is there, Wendell. It's too much snow over here. Oh God, hopefully I can get out. Yep. So that's to show you. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
Why much, man?